All right, time for some repo maintenance. So what we're going to do is I want to create a new repo. I'm going to make it in my other account just because we're going to want to transfer it from one to another. But I'm going to go here and just say under here, Omen King, and I'm going to say my cool repo 2. Okay, and I'm going to just make this private, and I'm going to add a README here. I'm going to go ahead and create this repo. Okay. So now this is repo created, we can go over to our settings, and let's say I didn't like the name 2, I need it to be 3 because we already have another one called 2 in the other account. I'm going to rename that, and it renames. Before we used to rename, it used to take time. Now it's instantaneous, which is really, really great. If we scroll on down here, we could change the main branch. We could change the name to main 2. There are some limitations there because it's not showing all of our options as we don't have other branches. Apparently it doesn't create it instantaneously, but it will change it in a bit of time. There it is. So I think it has taken effect. If we go here and yeah, it shows that it's been renamed. So that sounds really good. We're gonna go back over to settings. Notice that we can checkbox on and off features. Let's get rid of issues. Let's get rid of projects. If we go over here to our code, notice that they have vanished across the top. So that is great. We'll scroll on down. We have more abilities somewhere here in the danger zone, so we can change our visibility. It will give us a warning about it. I'm not sure why it's making it so hard. I'm going to make this public. I'm going to say that I accept the changes, and we're going to make it public. And then apparently I have to confirm, so I'm going to get out my phone, and it wants me to enter a number into my phone. Okay, so 37, approve, great. And I'll wait a moment for it to take effect. There we go. So now it is public. We can disable our branch rules. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We can go ahead and transfer this repo. I'm going to send it to a specific person. So this is going to be, I want to send it to Andrew W.C. Brown, which is the other me. And then I got to type in the repo name. So we'll go ahead and do that. My cool repo 3. I understand. Okay, so now it should be transferred. And I think the other person has to accept. So I don't think it's instantaneous. So if we go over here. Do I have the repo now? If I go up here, my notifications, how do I see the repo transfer? I'm not sure. I'm going to go check the email for this account and see if it shows up there, okay? All right, so in my email, we can see over here that there is a repo transfer link. So I'm going to go ahead and click that.